Before you pay an electrician hundreds of dollars for one wall light, look at this. This is a cordless wall sconce. No wall wiring, no junction box, no fishing cable through drywall. The trick is that the bulb itself is rechargeable. So the lamp looks like a normal designer sconce, but the power is inside the E26 bulb. Here's why this works. Most rooms feel flat because the only light is overhead. It hits everything at once: the bed, the floor, the laundry chair, the random corner you keep pretending is storage. Designer rooms usually do the opposite. They add warm light at eye level, near a bed, a sofa, a hallway, or a reading corner. That one change makes the room feel finished. The expensive version is hardwired. That means opening the wall, adding an electrical box, running power, patching, painting, and paying someone who knows what they are doing. This version is the renter-friendly illusion. The wall sconce gives you the shape. The rechargeable E26 bulb gives you the light. The remote gives you dimming and color control. First, check the kit. You should have the gold wall sconces, the white shades, the rechargeable E26 bulbs, the remotes, the USB charging cables, mounting screws, wall anchors, and the small Allen key. Lay everything out before you start. If a part is missing, stop here. Do not discover that after the bracket is already on the wall. Now charge the bulbs first. Plug the rechargeable bulbs into USB and give them a full charge before installation. This matters because once the shade is on, you do not want to find out the bulb is dead. Also test the remote now. Turn the bulb on, dim it, switch warm white, neutral white, cool white, and any color modes you actually plan to use. For a luxury wall light, warm white is usually the winner. Next, choose the placement. For a bedside light, aim around shoulder to eye level when you are sitting up in bed. If you are doing two sconces, measure both sides. Do not trust your eyes. Use painter's tape to mark the height. Step back. Look from the doorway, sit on the bed, make sure the shade will not hit your head, and make sure the light is actually useful where you read or relax. Now install the wall base. Hold the mounting plate against the wall. Mark the screw holes. If you are going into drywall and there is no stud, use the anchors that match your wall type and the fixture weight. Drill the pilot holes if needed, push in the anchors, then screw the mounting plate flat to the wall. The base needs to be secure before the shade goes on. No loose screws, no tilted plate, no wobbly lamp. Attach the sconce body to the wall plate and tighten the small set screw with the Allen key. Keep the arm straight. The shade should sit level. If it looks crooked now, fix it now. Now install the bulb. Important. The bulb should be off while you install it. Hold the white rechargeable E26 bulb by the body. Line up the metal threaded base with the socket and turn it clockwise. You are not pushing it in, you are screwing it in. Twist gently until it is snug. Stop when it is seated. Do not over-tighten. That is the key action. Align, twist clockwise, snug. Once the bulb is in, put the shade back in place if you removed it for access. Make sure the shade sits straight and does not press against the bulb. Now test it. Use the remote from across the room. Turn the bulb on, dim it down. Try warm white. If the remote only works from 2 inches away, fix that before you celebrate. For the best look, keep the brightness lower than you think. Luxury lighting does not blast the room. It creates a warm pool of light on the wall. Use 2 matching sconces on either side of a bed for the hotel effect. The real advantage is maintenance. When the bulb runs low, unscrew it, recharge it with the USB cable, and screw it back in. No electrician, no wiring, no breaker panel. Just charge, twist, and use the remote. Quick safety note. This is still a mounted wall fixture, so follow the product instructions. Use the right anchors for your wall. That is the cost-saving punchline. $40 for the cordless look versus hundreds for the hardwired route. You pay for the fixture and bulbs, not opening the wall. For the final reveal, turn off the overhead light, set the bulb to warm white, and dim it low. Let the shade hide the bulb and let the wall catch the glow. That is what sells the illusion. No wiring, rechargeable bulb, real sconce shape, small hack,